Whoa, you scared the camera. Hi, Shay. Aquaba, let's start this experiment off with our first black fact.
Okay.
A black fact is something cool about science that is from a black scientist from our past. And today we want to start and recognize with these two links that I've provided, black scientist Chef James Hemmings and Betty Washington Green. So if you're interested in becoming a scientist in the kitchen, do you know what a scientist in the kitchen is? A baker. A baker in the kitchen mixing ingredients and making this wonderful, yummy food is a kitchen scientist.
Yeah, I'm gonna go get mine.
And so your mommy is a kitchen scientist. Okay. And then we'll also learn about his experience in
power on.
He used to be a slave to President Thomas Jefferson. Then Thomas Jefferson took him to Paris to learn how to be a chef. So he's known for bringing potatoes to America when Americans thought that potatoes. Do you know what a potato is? They sell them here, yeah, potatoes. They like them. But when they brought potatoes to America, they thought that leprosy. Leprosy is a skin disease. So Americans didn't want potatoes at the time. But then this guy, this awesome guy, which I'll show you a picture of really, really quickly. Let me see if I can share my screen. So this is who we're talking about today. Can you see him? That's the guy. That's when he was younger. Let me show you with his chef uniform on. When he came back and started working in the White House, being a chef in the White House in Washington, D.C. Cool, huh? Okay. And then Washington Green. She was also a scientist, black scientist from the past. She healed leprosy, or she found one of the ingredients to heal leprosy. So while Americans were worried about getting leprosy and not eating potatoes because it might cause leprosy, this woman came along and taught us that, hey, there's an ingredient that can cure leprosy. So she played around in the lab with that. So isn't being a scientist cool? I think being a scientist is cool. Okay. Isn't being a scientist cool?
Yeah, we're all scientists.
Okay, so when you have some time later today, you all should take, or later this week for your homework assignment, I want you all to read about Betty Washington Green and the chef Hemmings. Learn a little bit about him, and we'll talk about him more next week, okay? This experiment is going to take us all of 2 seconds.
Be careful. Get the. Are you ready? Put some of the color in there. Put that back. All right, that's too much. All right, ready? All right, dark. You don't need this anymore. Hold this.
Okay, so this week, why don't you read a bedtime story to the kiddos about the two scientists I told you about, and then we'll try again next week.
Okay.
But did you all have fun just trying?
Yes, and I liked meeting you guys too.
Well, we enjoyed meeting you too, so now you've been
Look at my hands.
Bye.
Bye.
Say, I'm cute. I'm cute. I'm cute. I'm cute. I'm royalty.